Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. With all your own. Missing someone. With heart. How much you missing?
Have the matching set on. This one is already way too big, but I just love the color. But yes, nobody's here. Oh, this is so cute. I've never been here before. Okay. Oh, I got that on video. Look at this. This is so cute. I went to the gym, but I didn't go in such a long time. This is amazing. Look at this. I have literally no idea what to use here. Like, what do you do with all that stuff? It is, well, okay, it's 1:21. Okay, 1:22 now. First of all, I have no idea what to listen to here, but it's so peaceful. The snow, I love it. I love it. I love it. And I have no idea what to do at the gym. Like, let's be for real. I'm gonna go on the treadmill and let's see how it goes, because I have no idea what I'm gonna do. Like, I have no idea what to do here. I used to be really good. When I was still in school, I used to go at least twice a week, I would say. And this man keeps staring. Over there. Okay, what do we have here? Ooh, France. I think I want that one. Greece. Lovely. Now we're in Greece. That is so funny. I'm gonna do my little run in Greece now. You guys in a little bit. Oh, this truck just passed me. This is actually so peaceful. I love it. Okay, bye. See ya. This looks like a man. It even has like ears and eyes. Do you see that? I can't zoom further, but wait. Over here's the ear, and then there's the mouth. This looks like a man. I'm sitting on this wall. I just ran 20 minutes. Oh, those are people I do not like. Okay, they're gone. They're just really weird people. I don't like them. Not from here, guests. This is nice. This looks really bad. Can't even take a picture. No. You know, one thing I hate? When I want to take a picture or video, but it does not look like the real deal. You know what I mean? It just gets me really annoyed. Because this looks amazing, but if I could capture it like I see it, but I can't. It doesn't look good. No. I found this thing here. And I do believe it goes on here, I think. Prove you wrong. There's a murder on the dance floor, or... But how does this thing work? Oh, I'm so stupid. I haven't been in the gym for years, so don't judge me. I figured it out. I think. I'm like 90% sure. I think I did that right. I'm like 90% sure I did. Moral of the story. Maybe don't go to the gym when you have no idea what you do. I did track for a long time. I know. Shocker. I think I will look up some stuff that I can do, but I feel good. It is now 2:30. I think I will go eat breakfast, but that was good. I feel great. We might are gonna go to the store and make a strawberry covered. What? Chocolate strawberry. What? Chocolate covered strawberries. Just had a stroke, I think. I'm making porridge right now with cinnamon. I have just one here. Today we're having this one. This is my breakfast. And my flowers are dying and I don't know why. It's either way too warm in here or something's going on. But these are doing fine. That's the fin. Good jack. That's for the groceries. This is so much snow, it's crazy. Oh my god. That is crazy. This is so beautiful, guys. So much snow. Look at this. So much snow. Sad. Look at this. Hab doch vergessen.
Okay.
Oder nicht aufgedruckt auf dem Bildschirm. Deswegen. Yep.
Was ist das? Der Obdruck nach außen, nicht nach innen.
Was redest du? Das ist noch innen, Mama.
Meine Chores ist immer noch aus. Chores wäre am meisten können.
Das hat die Sarah gesagt.
Ja, Chores ist echt nach außen. In der Fliege. Ich habe das.
How was skiing? Guess what, guys? This is my first collaboration. Isn't that so cool? It's like, oh my gosh, I can't even tell you. This is so beautiful. I can't wait to wear this in the summer. Even though it's a little bit too big here, but who cares? What was that? Okay. Continue. That scared the shit out of me. Whew. I have to stop looking over here. We're meeting in 1.5 hours, so this is so annoying. I think I will leave this on because my hair is not the cutest today. As I was saying, I'm gonna unload the dishwasher and then I'm gonna go edit. Yes. Good morning. I'm listening to her podcast. I found it like a few days ago and it's actually like a week ago. It's really good. This situation going on. And then I'm making a like slow morning in my life TikTok and I'm making pancakes and I just flipped it like this and it worked. I'm so proud of myself right now. But yes, this is what's going on this morning. And look at this. It's getting more and more. It's crazy out there. My birthday flowers. Oh god, man. Today is the last official day that my roommate is gonna be here. We're gonna make Pinterest cookies. Perfect. Should I cut your like head out or do you mind?
No, I
Okay, then you're in it.
First the flour, the butter, and the sugar,
Okay.
and then the last of the egg.
Buttermilk delicious. it goes. It kind of looks like pasta over here. I'm gonna put it in the freezer.
Or to make the hearts. What does this like?
Oh, and you're baking it with the.
Yeah, with the jam.
Oh, okay.
The spoon.
Are you bringing your suitcase down?
No, I'm just gonna put it out here.
Oh. Did you finish like one suitcase in 5 minutes?
And the big one.
But oh my gosh. But did you actually pack it nicely or just yes?
Yeah.
In like 10 minutes? That's insane. Oh, now it's disgusting. It is thick. Is that supposed to happen? This is no bueno. A few hearts, a few unknown shapes and forms over here. Yeah, these are unknown, but the rest is very cute.
I'm just gonna flip everything over.
You're just like out.
I'm saying I like baking
I don't think it does.
It's literally what baking is. Chaotic.
It's bad. No.
At least the jam stayed inside.
And good night. Ich hab mir Gesicht einfach reingesteckt.
Steht der